So let's get busy. First off, we're going to take lint-free cloth and our rubbing alcohol. Put it on heavy, and all you have to do is just wipe the vehicle down. The idea of this with the rubbing alcohol is it removes all of the wax. And you'll know the wax is gone when you take your Venom glove and go over it once it dries, and it'll be squeaky clean like this. There, now that's evaporating. You want to do it in about 70-degree weather. If you have sunshine, get it out in the sun after you're done. But this is brand new paint, basically. I mean, we've taken care of this vehicle for them for years. We're going to go both directions. I like to go 4 or 5 swipes, then add a little bit more. Now, if the camera wasn't there, I would have continued going up, but the camera's in the way, so. Tape your microfiber towel that comes in your package on, and you'll have far less problems, trust me. All the directions will be in the package on exactly what you need to do. But this is, if you have a brand new car, get this stuff on as quick as you can. Protect that paint. All right, now we'll go the opposite direction. But I wouldn't ever own a new car, if you care about it, without doing the ceramic coating on it. You got to wait till you see the end of the video where we show you how well this works on new paint. So you wipe it down with rubbing alcohol, that's it. All right, that's done. We're going to let that set, and I'll come back and show you how to buff it out. All right, now a good way to check and see if it's dry enough to buff out yet is to take your finger. You can see my fingerprint right there. I'm holding it in the light. All you have to do is touch it, and if it leaves a fingerprint, it's not ready, and you can see my finger is wet. You know you have some more time to wait. It all depends on the temperature of the shop you're working in. All right, we are looking at it, and it looks like it's ready to dry up, buff it out. When I do this right here, it smears. That's because I drug my finger across it and I can feel drag. It's not slippery. We're going to buff this thing up now. And again, you use brand new microfibers. Perfect. Perfect drag. Doesn't feel slippery at all. And if you caught it at the right time, it'll be dull looking. Now, if you think the paint is, 2-3 years old, you can clay bar it beforehand if you think there's impurities in it. But if it's a new car, less than a year old, there's no sense clay barring. But if you feel you should clay bar it, we have videos on that as well. And don't forget to check out our new channel, Sweet Scoots, on YouTube. And there's some good videos on this for doing on your bike. If you know anybody that loves motorcycles, now we'll let that dry. If you have any sunshine, get it out in the sun. It dries faster, it sets faster. It will be fully cured after 48 hours or so. Show you how well this works. The other side is stock in the way it was, just like on this side. We didn't do anything to the other side whatsoever. Look at that. Your own 2 eyes are seeing this. Is that amazing or what?